Hi, it's me, Jamie Valet. As today we're gonna be doing a unboxing and setup, the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Pro Controller. Yes, and it's wireless, and I finally got it. And yeah, as you can see, box itself. And then there's the other side. And then the back shows you a little bit of info of the controller. Alright, let's open this up with my scissors. Liking that I'm needing a sharper tool. Didn't mean this. Feel like there was a tiny bit more tape that I missed over here. Hopefully this should open up. Oh, there we go. Oh. Alright. So, first things first is we have this cardboard that holds the controller, and yeah. Alright, and then inside. Whoa, what is that? I believe this is an included micro USB Type-C controller to charge it up. So let's open this up. And there it is, the cable itself, and the cable included to charge the controller, which I should probably need to do. Let's see how long this is. Well, it's not too long, so yeah. There you go. The micro Type-C, and then the USB cord. And yeah. I'm gonna put that right here. And now, the grand moment of this Pro Controller. Oh, and it opens like that. Ooh. Holy. Voila! There she is, boys and girls. The Pro Controller itself. Oh, it feels more comfortable than the Wii U Pro Controller. And we have this little plastic, just no use. And there's glossy black finish up top here. And yeah. Wow, the buttons, by the way, are nicely sound, and yeah. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so that is it for the unboxing of the Pro Controller. So yeah, it really feels comfortable. Oh, by the way, hey. And I actually do have my Switch over here. And yeah, so that is gonna be it for the unboxing, sir.